Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change date and time on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, you have just to go to settings and after that scroll down a little bit until you find general. And after that, scroll down a little bit until you find an option called date and time. And from here, as you can see, there is an option called set automatically. You have to deactivate it. And here you can change the time to any time that you want. For example, like this. And you can change the date also to any date that you want. And just like that, you will change the date of your phone. But also, if you want to get it back to the actual time, you can just click on set automatically like this. And your date and time will be set to the automatic time zone where you are actually located. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.